Right, I'm just still messing about with data recovery software. Even though I've made up my mind that RStudio is the best, I'm still going through though, because you never know. It's good to try them all out. But anyway, I've had a bit of good success with Autopsy. Really good bit of software. It's probably a bit overkill for what I'll use it for. I'm way out of my league, but still, it's free, so you may as well have a play with it. So you just open it up, you just put new case in. So I'll put HD drive, sorry, hard disk drive, study, and then click next. The below 7, why not? James Bond. So I ain't used it much, I've only used it a couple of times, but it has been brilliant. So generate new host name. Obviously all this is overkill, but it's for forensic recovery, so it's got to be evidence, isn't it? So it's got to be time stamped and everything. So I'm going to do E, because that's the one I'm doing, this hard drive. I'll show you. It's an external hard drive. I reckon the guy used it to keep his music on, but all the A is still there, but anything after A is gone, so he must have erased it properly. So press OK. So you want to try and eliminate this as much as possible, but it takes a long time. I know there's no data encryption, so I'm removing that one. And the others I don't really know what they are, so there ain't no emails in here. I haven't got any keywords, so in fact I will. I'll check for credit card numbers now, but so that's about it, because that encryption takes a long time. And if you go down there, you got all Android and iOS and all sorts, and obviously there's a Windows NTFS, so I don't need all that. We click next. I might go through this and learn this a bit more, because there's a lot to this. It's pretty interesting. So it's scanning now. You can actually click down here. I don't let me now for some reason. But we'll just let it go and I'll come back when it picks them up. It's already got 16 things, look. But the minute you can't stop it. So I stopped it, but I think it's still going. It's gone up from 61% to 62%, so it's slow. So, but anyway, you can recover once you stop it. It's got 25 files. I go into file type by extension. So it's saying 938. So album art. And it gives you a preview. And then audio. So if you want to recover something, I'm just going to go here to recycle bin because it's easier. Just click on one, press and hold the shift button, and go down to the bottom or wherever you want to do. So you just highlight them all, right click it and then extract files. I'm going to extract them to my desktop just to make it easier. No, because I've got a lot of stuff on my desktop, so I'll find an empty video. Should be empty, so I'm going to save it, and it should be recovering now. So there you go. Most free software could not find these files. I reckon this has been erased because the only ones that can recover it are our photo, our undelete and our studio, and then the only ones that have been able to find it, so, and they are professional software. So this is the only free one that's actually found it, and I have tried them all. I'm not joking. WinFR, Recover, Free Undelete, Photo Rec and Q Photo Rec. A lot. And this one is the only free one that's actually recovered anything. So as you can see, it's recovered all the albums. I ain't going to play it though because it might be copyrighted, or it will be copyrighted. There you go, it's still recovering some. So that's it. You just select them by pressing on one, shift, go to the bottom, click on the bottom one, right click and then extract files. So brilliant piece of software. I'll learn this a bit more, watch a few videos on it myself and download the manual. But at the minute I'm studying the RStudio, I've got the manual downloaded for that. And that is an amazing bit of kit, but it's $80. So. Right. I was going to do one last easy test with this Autopsy. I was running my a USB through format on Windows. So once it's clean, I've only put it through one pass, but it usually does a pretty good job of cleaning it. So I'll load some videos, photos, text files, things like that, format it, and then I'll try and recover it again. See how well it does. There's the files. We've got a recovery manual. I can't remember what that's for now, just have a look. Oh yeah, it's RStudio, brilliant, I've got to read that. Some pictures of my old computer. A video that I did for YouTube. Amazing video. A text document. A book that I wrote. Another text document. And another book that I wrote. Could be the same book actually, I'm not sure. No, two different ones. So anyway, I'm going to delete them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 files. I'll delete them. And then I'm going to format it. So I've accidentally deleted and formatted. And repaired the drive. So let's see what you can get back. I mean, to be fair, I've just done a lot worse than what I did for Recover and all them, and they passed this test, so this one's a pretty easy test that most of them have passed. But I have just formatted it, deleted it and repaired the disc, so might give it an harder task. So, case name USB. I'll try and speed speed through it as quick as possible. It shouldn't take long, I'm hoping. So what we're looking for, I'll just look for the same as what I looked last time. I'll come back when it's done. I'm going to let it go all the way through this time, so see what it recovers. Right, so it's pulled up loads of stuff. 468 images. There's only supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably them ones. Yep, there they are, of me thing. But then if you keep going down, it's got, that looks like a files partition manager or whatever. There's a lot of files that's pulled up. Our studio agent. Most of it's useless, but it's unbelievable how much it's picked up. It's picked up the video, it's picked up an audio of some sort, it's probably to do with the video. And you come down here, it's got credit card. And you look at them, and it has, if you click on it, it does show you credit card numbers. I ain't going to show you that just in case they're mine. I ain't checked. Unbelievable, really. So anyway, it's going to go by extension, click that, shift all the way down. I don't seem to want to do it now. I want to recover them for some reason. I'll try all these first then. Don't seem to want to let you download them. You have to come into the, you don't want that, it's just a file system. So I'll extract them as well. Where's it going to? Export. So. Okay, just got to find the export file now. So it was pretty easy to find. It's just under the HDD3 study that I folder that you create at the start. So there you go. It's got all the files, the indexing of the USB. Everything works fine. That's the RStudio manual. In fact, I'm going to scan through that pretty quick. It could be the photos that it's been picking up, but I can't see many photos in there. But it's picked up a lot of stuff. It could all be images out of that PDF, but I'm not sure. But the other folders are there, all the, in fact it's doubled them up. And it's got the 2 docx's. It's just too much to sort through really. I bet you gotta learn how to filter it a bit better. So I'll keep looking, I'll keep trying with it, learning myself. But it has pulled a lot off. It definitely showed videos, but I can't see them here. Oh, there it is. So yeah, got everything. So that's a good tool, definitely. You need to be able to filter the stuff out. But obviously if you're doing forensics, you need everything. So this all has our viewer in, so I suspect it's either left over from the program or from that PDF, but I don't know.